Hello everybody. So welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how I play Scarified, and I'm going to show you every note of the song, including the solo in the middle. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. So basically the song is in F sharp minor most of the time, and you have this riff at the beginning. Alright, just down, up on your right hand, and F sharp, the second fret. So it's like 1 E and 2 E and 3 E, and then you have a triplet here, and then one note here. So here is very important, is a 2-string pattern. So, and the pattern on your right hand is down, up, and then you come back to the F sharp. So basically, all right. So far. All right, and you then upstroke again on the F sharp, and then you have sort of like a scale. So this is 5, 7, 9. So basically an F sharp minor scale. So all alternate picking on your right hand. So far what we have is 2, 3 E. One more time, real slow. 3, 4. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you repeat the riff. And then you then upstroke again. And this time you have a scale, but you descend the scale. So starting on the 7th fret of the G string. So, and then E, B. Again, on your right hand, it's all alternate picking. Alright, so the second riff, 3, 4. Alright, and then you play the riff again. Alright, this is the 3rd time, and then on the 4th time, you have a scale again, but starting on the E note. So on the 12th fret of E string, and then 9, 11, 12, and then you have a triplet. So 9, 11, 12 on the D, and then you do an upstroke on the 9 and 9 of D and G. So real slow. All right. Cool. So just this part, 3 E and 4 E and so I'll do the whole thing, the first section, real slow first. All right. So 3 E and 4 E and. Do the whole thing twice, and that's basically your intro. I'll do that one more time up to speed, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, that's the first section. I hope you like that. Check out the next section if you want to go on, continue to learn this song. Alright, I will see you in the next video.